In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin Google Keep to Taskbar in Windows 11, updated 2026 full guide. If you use Google Keep to capture quick notes, to-dos, or reminders, pinning it to your Windows 11 taskbar gives you one-click access all day long. This guide is simple and reliable, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can get it done in seconds. Start by opening your web browser on your Windows 11 PC. You can use Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome. Either one works great for this. Make sure you're on your desktop, not in a minimized or tablet mode view, so you'll be able to see the taskbar where the shortcut will appear. Next, go to Google Keep. The fastest way is to type keep.google.com into your address bar and press Enter. When the page loads, sign in with your Google account. You just need your usual credentials to access your notes. Once you're signed in, you should see your existing notes or a clean canvas if you're new to Keep. It's important to be signed in so the shortcut you create always opens your personal notes instantly without extra steps. Now look to the top right corner of your browser window for the three dots menu. In Microsoft Edge, this menu is often labeled Settings and More, and in Google Chrome it's called Customize and Control. It's the same vertical ellipsis icon in both browsers. Click that to open the full browser menu. From that menu, move to More Tools. Here's where you'll find the option you need. Select Pin to Taskbar. Go ahead and click it. Windows will immediately create a taskbar shortcut for Google Keep using the site's icon, so it's easy to spot. You don't have to adjust anything else. Once you choose Pin to Taskbar, you're done. You'll see the new Google Keep icon appear on your taskbar, ready for a single click anytime you want to open your notes. If you don't see Pin to Taskbar right away, make sure you clicked the three dots menu in the browser window itself, and then chose More Tools. The wording is generally the same across current versions, and keeping your browser up to date helps ensure the option is available. After it's pinned, the shortcut simply opens Google Keep in your browser and takes you straight to your signed-in workspace. That's all there is to it. Open your browser, go to Google Keep and sign in. Click the three dots, choose More Tools, and select Pin to Taskbar. Now you've got Google Keep just one click away in Windows 11, making it faster to capture ideas the moment they pop into your head.